The LEMATEC AS118 sandblaster gun kit is a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of tasks, from removing rust and corrosion to etching glass and cleaning metal parts. This sandblaster kit is designed for use with an air compressor and features a strong media suction, allowing for faster and more efficient blasting compared to outdated tools. Constructed with high-quality materials, this heavy-duty sandblaster provides professional-grade performance, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike. The kit includes ceramic nozzles which are more durable than steel tips, reducing the need for frequent replacements and saving you time and effort. Despite its robust performance, the sandblaster is lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to handle and perfect for on-the-go projects. With a fully adjustable control valve, users can precisely regulate the media flow, ensuring efficient use of blasting materials and achieving flawless finishes.